How did I become involved with the Department of Children and Families, more commonly referred to as DCF, for abuse and neglect in Massachusetts? How you became involved with the Department of Children and Families is through a phone call. A phone call by a person which is called a mandated reporter, a non-mandated reporter, or anonymous. That phone call comes into DCF, and DCF then has to make a decision whether to screen out the call, and it goes no further, or screen the call in, and then assign it for what's called an investigation. When DCF determines they're going to do an investigation, they have to determine whether it's going to be an emergency, because the child is at substantial risk of harm, or a non-emergency, which takes a lot longer. Then once that is assigned, the investigator goes out and does their home visit, visits with the family or the guardians or the caretaker, also meets with the child, determines the child's condition, the age of the child, where the child lives, and any other pertinent information that would help in determining whether or not the child has or has not been abused and neglected. The DCF investigator is also supposed to corroborate or disprove with reliable evidence by speaking to witnesses that would have personal knowledge of why or how this child was abused and or neglected. They're also supposed to take into various things such as cultural, whether or not there's a background of history with DCF, a criminal record which is called a CORI, and other types of information that would help to corroborate or disprove the allegations, such as calling doctors, speaking to medical personnel, speaking to teachers, principals, guidance counselors, school nurses, other individuals that are involved with the child, such as daycare, after-school program, coaches, neighbors, friends, family, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, whoever it may be, they would have reliable information about the condition of the child and how this is or is not abuse or neglect in Massachusetts.